Hi guys, so last time you saw us making a circle skirt, and this time we're going to make one for Barbie, and we're going to do it in a bit of a slower fashion for those that want to follow along. So you see we take the circle again and fold it into a pizza shape, and we're going to cut a circle. First we have to measure the widest part of your body. Normally on your hips we see Barbie's is 14 centimeters, 14 centimeters, and we will divide that by 7. So whatever your biggest part of your waist is, or usually by your hips, it's just take that and divide it by 7. Then we clip the pin with the tape measure to the top. It's the easiest way to draw around to get a nice perfectly even circle. So we clip that together and we've divided it by 7. So we've got our measurements, and now we're going to take chalk, and we are at 2 centimeters just drawing a nice little place for us to cut, so in a circular motion. So now we're ready to cut. Open it up. Now you want to choose your elastic. Now for this measurement we don't want to use the widest part, but rather where the skirt is going to fit, where you would like it to sit. So ideally most people like it to sit in their hips. I was going to try and sew this on my machine, but eventually realized it was just way too small, and so I decided to rather just hand stitch it. So that was a much better option. Of course there was my inspector. Approval was given and I went ahead with the stitching. Yep, more approval, ready to go. So now we're going to take that elastic band and mark the 4 points. Mark the front, the part where you've stitched it together, and then the 2 sides. Then you clip it onto this circle, and that's to ensure that you stretch the fabric evenly along the circle. So that's what I've done here. I've used an orange and a yellow just for some nice contrast. I've done a zigzag stitch so you can see it there. Now all that's left to do is to trim the edges off a little bit. We just went with a little bit of a rough style, nothing too fancy, just using my sewing machine. You can use an overlocker here for a more neat finish. And Barbie's ready to get dressed. And there you go, Barbie's all ready to go with her nice circle skirt matching the one that we made for my daughter. I hope you enjoyed watching.